Good morning, all of you. Today we'll discuss about the screw gauge and vernier caliper. That one. So it's basically an instrument. So if you order this in Amazon, it will cost you around 150 rupees. Screw gauge and 150 rupees, 300. 300 rupees you will get one screw gauge, vernier caliper, and you can do whatever thing you want rather than fighting on with paper books, everything. No, in the book world, you can place order in it. So it's available in Amazon, Flipkart. So most of the websites it's available. I think within 2-3 days they will deliver. So once you have that instrument in hand, no, it'll be very easy for you to manage thing. Okay, what it is. Okay, what I'm learning. I think that'll be more scientific. Of course, you are going to do this in the lab in second year. I think by today I'm going to start and finish off this. Okay, this is about the screw gauge which we are going to learn. Okay, let me first explain this. Sorry, first vernier caliper, we are going to learn it. Okay, what is the name of this instrument? It's called as a vernier caliper. Okay, the first one, like, what are this one? This is called like a main scale. Huh? The fourth is called as a main scale. We'll do naming by red color. Main scale. This is for rod to measure depth of, to measure depth, you're right, to measure depth of vessels, etc. like that. Two is called as upper jaws. These are called as this is used to measure inner diameter of pipes. These are the lower jaws. To measure thickness of, to measure length, breadth, or so like a thickness of, say, like a some. So to measure, I'll put it like this: diameter. To measure thickness, diameter, length of objects. Okay, that one. So then we have here this is the vernier scale. The other scales may not be important for us. You can just take it out because it is designed keeping in other things in mind. This one. So this is, I'll just erase it out. Okay. The one which is not needed, no, we'll just. Find this one. So then after this, we have, so there's a vernier scale, there's a fifth. Okay, there's 3 and 4, nothing but like this is in main scale, this is in inches, this is in centimeter. One is in inches, another is in centimeters. So this particular thing, what happened basically is used for centimeters. So there's a centimeter, there's an inch, and there's a screw to fix the scale. Okay, these are the major things what will be using that one. This one. So what is the thing like to measure thickness, depth, all this one will be there. And I can move this particular thing. So screw to fix the scale or to move the scale. Anything you can put to fix or to move the scale. To better will write it because So I can slide it. So with that, what happen? I can easily measure the things that one. Okay, let's come for how to how to do measurement. Why two scales are there? So vernier scale and main scales are there. Why the two scales that one? Okay, time being what happen? I'll show the full view because the small view will be very difficult. Okay, the vernier which you are seeing is this particular thing. I think fine. Visible. So like this, I am able to move it. Okay, one. So this is what the how it will be very nice for you visible. Okay, now okay. And this one. So these are lower jaws. These are upper jaws, and this what that rod. Different. Okay, first we'll focus on the rod. So I can use this to measure the depth, something I said. So I want to know that what is the depth here. Can you use ordinary scale to measure the depth of this cap? Ordinary scale to measure the depth of the cap. So not possible, no? With the help of the rod, I can measure, no? What is the depth of this? I can, so you should use this screw here. Here screw elbow, no? With that, what happen? We should do all the adjustments here. So I can measure now the depth, that one. So there's the purpose of this particular rod and this popping this particular rod. Okay, find this one. Next again, what are the scales I was telling? No, there's a main scale. I think I'll hold it like this. There's a main scale. It will be graduated in centimeter. Few will be centimeter and above will be inches. So ordinary one, what you purchase will be, it is in centimeter. And you can see one more vernier here, 0 to 10. Yeah. Are able to visualize now? So it is like, you can see inches as well as in centimeter. Both inches as well as centimeters will be there. The upper scale will be graduated in centimeter. The lower one will be in upper scale will be in inches. The lower will be centimeter. And you can also see one more. I think, yeah, reflection. I'll switch off this. Let's see. Are you looking at below one scale there? Below here, huh? Here this one. So this is the vernier scale, that one. There's a vernier scale, this centimeter, this is inch scale, and here I can tighten it. For the screw not to move, what happen? I can tighten it. This is the lower jaws. This will be upper jaws. This is what I should move like this. I should not do like this. Okay, so now there's not a gun. So it is like this. You should hold this. With the help of this, you should move the thing, that one. These are upper jaw fixed, lower jaw fixed. This is not mobile. So which are mobile, you can see, no? This one and as well as this one are mobile, no? And this rod. So as you move the screw here, look at my thumb. With the thumb, what happened? We should displace like this. So the upper jaw, one will be mobile, one will be fixed. Lower jaw will be mobile, one fixed, and the rod is mobile. So as you slide this screw like this, so the upper jaw and the lower jaw and the rod, they will have a proportional displacement. The displacement of this upper jaw and lower jaw and the rod will be proportional to the displacement of this screw. Getting this idea? This one. So there's overall This one. So how to, what is use of upper jaw now? So let's go for upper jaw here. So I shown the depth using the rod. Now I want to measure the diameter, inner diameter. So for the inner diameter, I will take help of this one. Okay, I'll get the inner diameter. So like this, the upper jaws are used to measure the inner diameter. And now what is use of the lower jaws? I want to measure the, say like a thickness of this one. So like how much of thick that I'm going to place it here. So, or I want to measure the, say like a, this thickness of this pencil. I'm going to fix it. Fine. So there's a main purpose of this particular thing. So upper jaws, lower jaws, main scale, vernier scale, rod, screw. I think these are the 5 things which are there, which are very, very important. Okay, fine. So have this particular vision. This is very important. You have to buy, you want to become engineer, you should purchase. There's no other way. We'll go to the main diagram. Okay, fine. So what all I just, like in the video, it was visible for you, that one. So what all we just shown that vernier caliper. Next question comes like, why do that 2 scales are there? Why that basically 2 scales he has given? I'll give one more better diagram. Just wait, I'll get one more diagram for you. Most of you are not understanding this. So I'll give one more diagram. Will I have one more diagram? No problem. Okay, what all I shown in the video, no? So the diagram will correspond for this particular thing. Hope now I think this is more clearer than the previous one. Huh? Fixed jaw, movable. Now, okay, let's get into the problem. So the vernier scale, what I was insisting, no, that vernier scale is this particular thing. Red color, what I'm putting, that is what the vernier scale. So it's a very, another 10 minutes, this topic will get over. Okay, now the blue color, which I'm going to put it. This is what the main scale. And what is this? The graduations are in centimeter. Okay, agreed. This one. And what is the smallest division on the main scale? please look at the diagram. I don't want to speak more theoretical things. Huh? Just the diagram is there. We'll finish off this topic. So now the red color is what? The vernier scale. So let me highlight that. So this is the vernier scale. He has written V, you can see. And will point, this is the main scale. What is the smallest division on the main scale? I'm going for now how to use that. How to use that one. So with the help of, by pushing the P what will happen, the rod, the displacement of D, B and D will be proportional, that one. Means how much B will move, that much the D will move, and that much the point E will move. So this particular thing. Agree this? So this is something very important. C and A are fixed here, fixed jaw. So we'll just summarize that one once again. C and A are fixed jaws. C and A are fixed jaws. Then D, B and E are all three will move simultaneously as the screw S or P moved. Okay, there's a main idea, finish or nothing big is there. Okay, what is the main scale? Graduated in centimeters. Okay, how to take reading? How to take the reading? So directly what happened? We should first go for what is this measurement? What this measurement is involved here? What this measurement is involved? Okay, fine. This is okay. Let's come to the. I'll bring it to the main concept of this one. Okay, this is like a main scale. This is the main scale. The beauty of this vernier caliper is what I'm trying to explain. All of you, please do look carefully. It is like this, no? Yeah. Now, okay, this is the above one, 0 to 10. What you see is a vernier scale, and the above one is a main scale. That one. So if I write it, if I as a slide, what will happen? The what all I write what happen will get disturbed. So therefore, I'm not writing anything. So you have to understand that one. This is the main scale. The above one is main scale. This one below one is a vernier scale. Okay, got it. So what is this? This is the main scale. This is a vernier scale. What is the smallest division on the main scale? So 0, 1 centimeter it is. 0, 1 centimeter. There's a 1 centimeter. So what is the smallest division? This one. How much it is? 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0 0.6, 0 0.7, 0 0.8, 0 0.9, 1 centimeter, 1.1. Like this will continue. This is a vernier scale. How many divisions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 lines, 10 division. What do you mean by one division? The distance between two adjacent lines is one division. So let's define. What do you mean by one division? Okay, I agree this. Okay, no. Let's come for this one. So how I designed vernier scale? It'll be like this. So now 0 of vernier and 0 of main scale, they are merging. Are you seeing this? The 0 of vernier and the 0 of main scale, they are merging. Then the 0 of main scale will be at 0 of vernier. Okay, I think there's a one diagram. Okay, let me clone it. We'll have a series of diagrams. I will write down all the information because you need information. No, what is this? This is the main scale. Centimeter, and this is a vernier scale. Okay, clear this. So when 0 merges with 0 of main scale, what about the first line of the vernier? This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which line will, none of the lines will coincide, no? None of the lines will coincide. Will agree? So you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, none of the lines. What about the 10th line will coincide here? So here, the lines which will merge, okay, these two lines are merging. No? None of the lines between 1 to 9, what mean they'll not merge here. Okay, no, if I do like this slightly. So the 0 is there, no? So shall I slightly, please, all of you able to, I'm doing something very beautiful one here. So now 0 of vernier lies is merging with the 0 of main scale, will I agree? So slowly I'll shift it. Tell me like first, which line will merge? One of vernier will merge with the 0.1 centimeter of main scale. Agree this? Able to see all of you? Next again. Who will merge? The two of vernier will merge with 0.2 centimeter of main scale. Next again. Who will merge? The 3 of vernier will merge with 0.3 centimeter of main scale. Now fourth line will merge. Fifth line of vernier will merge with the main scale. Sixth line is merging. Seventh line is merging. Eighth line is merging. Ninth line is merging. Then finally what will happen? The 0 of vernier will merge with 0.1 centimeter of main scale. This is, I think, lock the door. Yeah. So this actually what happened is students must have done this one. When many of you might have learned in school, no, you should have practiced this. You should have taken some cardboard. This is what you are supposed to verify. This was supposed to verify. So I'll start with like this. So when 0 of vernier merges with 0 of main scale, only 0 and 10 of vernier will merge with main scale. None of the lines will merge here. Slightly, if I shift 0, you can see now. Second line is merging. Third line, fourth line, fifth line, sixth line. Getting the idea now? So this is the thing what I'm going to take care of. Okay, sir, what is use of this? Okay, let's take the ordinary scale. With ordinary scale, what measurements you can do? Suppose a length of the object. Yeah, this one. Suppose a length of the, if you take the ordinary scale. Let me save it. First, let me take a rod. I want to measure its length. Now I want to measure its length. So what I do, I'll take a scale. We can't move the scale. No. So there's the only alternative available. No? So I'll bring a scale like this. What I am very sure. Oh. Okay, this is like a 0.1 centimeter. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think somewhere I'm 6.9. After that, I'm not very sure. No. Is it 6.91, 6.92? I'm not very sure. Will I agree this? So what is the length of the rod? So if I say what is the length of the rod means, so what is my answer will be 6.9. 6.9, I'm very sure. But the next thing, what I'm going to make a guess. So which one we are made a guess, no? 3 is what we are made a guess. 6.9, I'm very sure. Will I agree this? Directly come for this one. So this is what I started counting. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6.9. 6.9, I'm very sure. But 3 is what I made a guess. Okay, this what happens with ordinary centimeter scale, that one. So what is the exact thing? We can only one decimal place, we can predict exactly. Now, if I come for the screw gauge, if I come for vernier caliper, even the third one, the second decimal place, not a guess, will get exactly. Even the second decimal place will get exactly. That's what I'm going to do here. So how to do measurement now? How to make that one? That's what we are coming for vernier caliper. Okay, got the idea now? So this is the thing. So now let's start that one. How many main scales? So it is graduated. So shall we put like 10 divisions on one division on vernier scale is 1 VSD. So what is the construction of this? So I'll first go for defining least count. In this diagram only, I'll make it out. 10 divisions, 10 VSD equal to 9 MSD. What do you mean by 1 MSD? This is 1 MSD. What do you mean by 1 VSD? So how many, like what is this length? This total length, shall we take this one? From here to here, what you can write. So what is this? Some of you are asking, sir, like why you are writing that one. So I'll do one thing. Now what is this X is equal to? Shall we write 10 VSD equal to 9 MSD? Because this is how much? 0.9 centimeters. So 10 VSD. So what is 1 VSD equal to? From this, what is 1 VSD is equal to? 9 MSD by 10. So what is the least count? What is the least count? What is the least count? What is the smallest length you can measure using main scale? 0.1 centimeter. So I'll define here a least count. Or vernier constant. So the symbols are LC or VC. Both are same. So this is defined as 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So what is the least count? 1 mm. What is 1 VSD? 9 MSD by 10. So how much it will become? 1 MSD by 10. What is the smallest division? 1 MSD is equal to how much in the main scale? How much it should be equal to 0.1 centimeter? So substitute that 0.1 centimeter by 10. How much it is? 0.01 centimeter. So this is the least count of or vernier constant of a given scale, that one. Okay, there's a method of first finding out this one. So how many 10 VSD is equal to 10 divisions of vernier scale will merge with 9 divisions of main scale. So like this, we define what is 1 VSD or what is 1 least count means what? 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Agree this? So there's a method of finding out the least count. Okay, let's see that how to take reading, how to take the reading, how to take the reading, that one. Okay, I'll keep an object. I think for reading we need it. Let's do one thing. I'll go back to the original diagram. Okay, let's come for this one. How to take the reading here, no? The least count we have found out. So what is the reading? So some object is fixed here. Some rod is being fixed here, no? I'm asking what is the length of the rod. So what you are going to do now? The length of the rod is equal to L is equal to, this called as a reading, main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count. What is the main scale reading? You should look at the zero of vernier. So where is the zero of vernier? The zero of vernier here. I will just magnify so that student can see it clearly now. Now come for this one. The 0 of 1 year. This is 3, no? 3.5, 4, 4.5, like this it will go. So I think the 5, you know it. And below one line, what you get? You get 5.5. And this is 6, no? Similarly here, 3, and this will be 3.5. So where it is merging? At 3.5, it is merging. Am I right? The 0 of 1 year merges with one main scale. So what is the main scale reading? Like where the 0 of 1 year merges with the main scale, that should be the main scale reading. So 3.5 is what? The main scale reading.
Sir, isn't it 2.5, sir?
What I'm reading? Okay, sorry, 2.5. Huh? I will write it. Okay, that is a, yeah, okay, fine, yeah. I'm writing that one. So this is the reading what I'm taking, 2.5 centimeters main scale reading. Okay, after that, again, what we have to check it like, okay, let me tablet. Shall I write it here only? It'll be easier. Length is equal to MSR plus VSR into LC. What is MSR? 2.5 centimeter. What about VSR? How to calculate the VSR? For that, what happened? I'll come for this one. Among these lines, which line is merging with the main scale reading? I think the diagram which is there, little bit not clearly visible. So let me say that the second line is what? Merging. So how do I come to know? I feel all the lines are merging. Maybe the diagram is little bit diminished. Okay, the second line is what? The merging. Next diagrams, I'll show it. So what is VSR? How to calculate, all of you got how to calculate main scale reading? Where the 0 of 1 year scale merges with main scale, that is MSR. Next, what is VSR? Where the line on the vernier scale, other than 0 and 10, the line which merges with main scale of the vernier, it's called as vernier scale division. So I'm going to just put like this. The second line is what? Merging. So this will be 2. What is the least count? 0.01 centimeter. So if you do that calculation, how much you are getting? This topic is over. So what is the length of the rod? 2.52 cent. Now you can ask questions, sir. What is use of this? Sir, what we achieved? In case of just if this vernier scale were not there, then what we do? We will make a guess of this 2, no, second decimal place. But here, no, it's not a guess. Perfect. Anyway, this we are very sure from main scale. This is what obtained from vernier scale. Are you getting this? 2.5 is from main scale. No doubt on this. Even this second decimal place, we didn't guess. In fact, we have calculated very easily. So shall I say that what we can measure? We can measure very accurately even the second decimal place. That's what the use of this vernier caliper. First of all, how to calculate least count? I brought the definition. Okay, now with the help of that, we'll go for some numericals. There's a reading. It's very easy. Just I think if you purchase one vernier caliper, I think it's within half an hour you can wind up this topic. If you don't have vernier caliper, definitely I think you have to fight a lot. Let's come for this one. Next again. After this, we'll go for zero error. Both are same. Just wait. Negative zero error. It's also negative 0 error. Okay, now the diagram I'll bring it. I'm having it there. There's a negative 0 error, no? I'm bringing some printed one so that it will be easy for you. Huh? Because if I draw it, no, so the diagram will not come very clearly. That's why I'm just going for the images. Good clarity will be coming. Because I can't draw up to the scale like this. Okay, first we'll go for the positive 0 error. What do you mean a positive 0 error? What is a positive 0 error? If the zero of vernier scale with if the zero of vernier scale lies on the right side of main scale. What is this diagram? With the jaws in contact. So strictly what is the condition is putting? With the jaws in contact. The jaws in contact means no object between the jaws. Upper jaws, lower jaws will be contact, the rod should not pop out. Then if I see that, so what will happen is like the zero of vernier should lie at zero of main scale, no, but it will not happen. This is called like a zero error. Can you remember in error analysis, we used to give example, the same thing here. So with jaws in contact means, ideally what we expect, the zero of vernier should merge with zero of main scale, but it is on the right side of it. Then this is called like a positive zero error. Then how to calculate here now? Now, like you have to search in these lines, which line of the vernier merges with main scale. Are you looking at the first line? So what is the zero error now? Will become 0.1. Also like you can just put 1 here. So what is the zero error? We say it is a 1. Then what is the reading? The reading will go like this: MSR plus VSR minus 0 error into least count. Then it reads more, no? The vernier caliper, as you start using this, it will read more. So therefore, I'm going to subtract here. And this called a positive 0 error. So what you should do directly that one. And some books open, they gave the formula like this. Zero correction. What is the zero correction? Negative of 0 error. So the some books open, they have given the same reading like this: MSR plus VSR plus 0 correction into least count. What is the 0 correction? Negative of 0. Substitute 0 error with sign. I think both are same. So 0 correction is always negative of 0 error. And 0 error substitute with sign. When it's a positive 0 error, when it lies on the right side. Substitute the value of ZE1 and VSR, you know how to calculate MSR. Multiply with least count, you'll get the required answer. No. So sometimes it happens that with jaws in contact, the zero of vernier lies on the left side of 0 of main scale. Then what happens? We should search which line is merging. The 8th line is merging. I'll write nearby it. Then 0 error is not 8. So what is the 0 error formula? 0 error formula will be, it's a negative 0 error. What you should do? How many divisions are there? 10, 10, and the line merged. You should not write the 8. 10 minus 8 should be the 0 error. And it's a negative 0 error. So how to calculate the, so, but you wrote that, you didn't try 10 minus 1, you wrote only 1. So I think you go back to the designing, just it is no. So what is this length? This length, what happened? This length, will it be really 8 VSD? So how much will get finally? Minus 2 VSD, or minus 2 you write it. That you are going to substitute here. Zero correction, if you're putting minus of minus, you have to add up. So this will read less. So this 1 year, this scale, reads more. How much it will read more? This much it will read more. This arrow I'm putting, no, that much of thing which is unwanted, no, additional thing, it will read more. So that I'm going to subtract using this one. So this will read less. This much of quantity here, it will read less. So that has to be subtracted. That has to be added, no, it will read less. So this scale, read less. So what I should do for that? That much I should subtract. So what is the quantity? I should subtract. There's a negative error. This much should be added here. So you do one thing, 0 negative, no? That negative you substitute here. Negative of negative, positive. You are adding up these things. Or in zero correction, okay, you are going to put it. 0 negative, negative of negative will become positive, and you are going to add up here. So like this, what happened? We take the error, that one. And now, so like from where it has brought, is it a random error or systematic error? Zero error. It's a systematic error. It's an instrumental error. It was not designed properly. So what to do? You design it, you redesign it properly, the error will get eliminated. So instead of again redesigning a big problem, okay, we have brought a method how to overcome that particular systematic error. So by using this one word pen. Now, final answer is with error, without error, you should answer. If I don't include this, there's a systematic error there. By adding this zero correction, am I right? No, I think this is fine. This definition is very important. By doing this mathematical operation, we are eliminating that systematic error by adding zero correction. If I just write only this one, then what we are doing? The zero error is not taken care. By using this what happened? By introducing zero correction, you are eliminating systematic error. That's why I told you, no, we know the cause, systematic error. We know the cause. Therefore, I think it's better to write like this. So this is what? Systematic error. And it can be eliminated. So now what is the reading? Free from systematic error. So what about this? Measurement with systematic error. Measurement. Systematic error means that zero error with no systematic error. Got the idea now? Okay, now let's directly take the numericals so that that practice will come for you. When you, I'll do one thing. I'll give examples. This will be a better idea for you rather than fighting with this. Let's do numericals. Now, let's take the second one. You look at that one. There's a main scale. There's a 1 year scale. What is this? With jaws in contact. What about this? With object between the jaws. Okay, fine. This one. So that same thing for everything. Straight away, what happened? We'll take one example itself. It'll be very easy for you, rather than fighting with. Okay, all of you ready now? Okay, we'll start this problem. So there is a with jaws in contact or object with jaws in contact. First, we should find out the zero error. No? So let's do one thing. What is this error? Okay, I think I'll come for second diagram. All of you come for second diagram. With no object between the jaws or jaws in contact. The zero of vernier should be at zero of main scale, but it is on right side. What is this error? Positive zero error. Then I should search in the vernier scale which line of vernier merges with main scale. The third one, I'll put the green color at least. Please notice this. Okay, the third line is what merging. So what is the zero error now? Positive zero error. Now, if you start using this scale, it will read this much of length extra. It will read because as you start using, no, because as you start using, you'll be pushing the jaw, mobile jaw to the right, no. So this much of quantity, what happened? You are adding for your measurement. This much of error you'll be adding to measurement. And what is that error? Is this one. This much of error is what you are adding for this one. So since it's there, so account our calculation, what is the zero error? Plus 3 will write it. Okay, let's come for this. This is the main scale. This is the vernier scale. No, which line? So where the zero of vernier is between 1 and 1.1 centimeter. So what is the reading now? The reading will be MSR plus VSR. So shall I write in this way? So because I want to avoid that all zero correction everything. Okay, now what is the main scale reading? 1.1 centimeter. What is vernier scale reading? So we have to search among all this which line is merging. So which line merges? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sixth line is merging. The sixth line of the vernier merges with the main scale. So what is the reading of vernier scale? 6 minus. What is the zero error? Zero error, we tabulated it to be how much? It is equal to 3. Okay, now you do it into least count. Okay, what is the reading of this? 1.1 centimeter. What is the least count? We don't know. So the least count of all this is 0.01 centimeter. So how do you can tell? Because I think 10 divisions on 1 year, 1 MSD on main scale is how much? 0.1 centimeter. How many divisions are there on 10 on the 1 year scale? 10. So 0.1 MSD by how many divisions on the 1 year scale? So 0.1 centimeter by 10. So 0.01. So this will become 3. So this will be our exact reading. How much it is? 1.13 centimeter. So actually, if you don't calculate the zero error, so then what you are saying, you are going to say that 1.16 is what you are reading. So some of you ask like, sir, why you are subtracting all that one? You see that one. If I don't take zero error, then what happens? This much of length you are adding for your reading. But what is the length? Length is how much it is? 1.13 centimeter. But this 0.03 centimeter is what? An error which you are adding. So I should subtract, no? Come for what is this error? Positive error, 0, negative 0 error. Positive error. Okay, now come for this one. With jaws in contact, the zero of vernier lies on the zero of vernier lies on the left side of the main scale. So what is this error? Negative 0 error. Let's calculate. Among which line merges with main scale? The fourth one. So minus 4. Okay, let's come for this one. So this is, I think, come for this. This is a main scale, no? This everything is in centimeter. Okay, some of you are asking, sir. Yeah. Okay, fine. This is, I think, 6.5. Now look at this one. Where the zero of vernier is there. between 6.4 and 6.5. Am I right? So what should be the main scale reading? The main scale reading. Main scale reading is how much? 6.4 centimeter. What about vernier scale reading? Among this, which line of the vernier merges with the main scale? I think really we have to search. It's not that easy. Here, the diagram I brought it, but practically when you're using vernier scale, no. So you should be very careful. I think the third line. Now you can ask questions, sir. How come only one line will merge? I think that is what the design, no? This is what design. So if you noticed earlier, I asked you to please notice the beauty is involved in this design. I don't know how many of you made measurements. So shall I put 3 as this one? Sir, how come only the third line will merge? I'll finish off this. I'll go back to once again the basic. So what is a zero error? Zero error will be, is it negative or positive? It's a negative or positive here. In fact, it's a negative. So put it 0.01 centimeter, 6.4 centimeter. This will be. So how much it was reading? It was reading this much of quantity less. So that should be added, no? Because when you are taking reading, you are going to move it from here, no? So this much of quantity it was reading less. So that has to be added. That has to be added. So how much it was reading less? 0.07 or 0.04 centimeter? 0.04 centimeter is what the error here, no? So that's what he told like this. I think it's correct, no? 0.04 centimeter is the error. You have to say like this. Zero error is this much. If you're expressing in terms of length, you have to put it. Since we are using this in the formula, I'm showing it here. So how much of error? Error is in fact 0.04 cent. This much it was reading less, so you are adding that much here. No, come for this one. It can happen like with object between the objects is there. So now, what is the first? Which line is merging here? The zero. It's a negative zero error. I think the which line will merge? Five, six, seven. Okay, no. So one more thing, how to take reading. So again, some of you are still not applying the concept straight away. What teacher said, you are getting that one. Negative zero error. What is the method to express? I think you have forgot. So what we should do? If 8th line merges, 10 minus 8 should be the error, no? Not 8. Negative zero error. Blindly accepting. I was just waiting it. So the 4th line is merging. So what should be the zero error? 4 or 10 minus 4? 10 minus 4, am I right? The 4th line as merged, you know. So 10 minus 4 is what? Zero error. Negative zero error. I think we have to be very careful about that aspect, you know. Where the zero of 1 year lies, so that should be the main scale, no? Here 6.4, 6.5. So this should be the main scale reading. Where the zero of 1 year lies between 6.4 and 6.5. So therefore, what should be the, this one main scale reading is 6.4. Here you see that one between 1 and 1.1 centimeter. So what should be the main scale reading? Should be between 1 and 1.5. You should take the lower value, not 1. 1.1 centimeter lower value. 6.5, 6.4. You should take 6.4, not 6.5. Okay, I said zero error 4 or 6. What you should do here? which line is merging here now? The fourth line merges that one. No? So 10 minus 4 I should bring. So that, then what should be this one? This will be minus 6. So not should be 4, this should be 6. I think there's a mistake what usually most of you do it here. So 6.4, how much will get this? 6.53. So I think 6.49. So okay, calculation. What is the reason you come for this? Eighth line merged. Then what we do? 10 minus 8. So 0 error should be not 4. It should be 6. Huh? Okay, these are the mistakes. What usually it happens. Now come for this one. The seventh line as merged here. So what is the 0 error? What we do? Negative of 10 minus 7. It is minus 3. Okay, what is the main scale reading? Come for this. So which line has merged here? The sixth line. So therefore the reading will be MSR plus. Now what is MSR? It is 0 centimeter only. What is VSR? 6. What is the error? Error is how much? 3. Least count 0.01 centimeter. So 6, this will be 0.09 centimeter. I think justify this answer. It was having some error, no? That should be added up. This will be very confusion for students, like a 0, they're the main scale. No? Okay, I gave with the diagrams, everything, how to take that particular reading with errors. With some object you are kept, you are calculating the dimensions of that object with this particular formula. And now once again, sir, why only one line will merge? Again, there's no other alternative for you. You should take help of this one. You can see now. When the 0 of vernier merges with 0 of main scale, which line will merge? Only the 10th line will merge, no? 0 and 10 only will merge. Slightly if I move next, no? Tell me like which line is merging? Only first line, no? Second line. So what we did here, slightly what happened, we made. So what actually the design of this one is, what is one VSD? Shall I say slightly less than one MSD? You look at this, one MSD, one VSD. What we did, 10 VSD is equal to 9 MSD. The design is made. What is that one? 10 VSD is equal to 9 MSD. So definitely what happens? One VSD will be less than one MSD. Are you looking at this length? See, you have to make observation. These are all not, people want everything in the formula. So why not there is one formula? Okay, I'll remember it. I'll never come. You have to analyze. I'll leave it to students all this particular thing. Okay, fine. So this is about the 0 errors, everything. How to take MSR? MSR is something. Look at the 0 of 1 year, where it is between 0 and 0.1. So what is MSR now? You should take the lower value, this one. The left side of 0 should be taken. So 0. You could come for this 1 centimeter. 0 of 1 year is here. So it should be 1 or 1.1, 1 centimeter. Got it?
Sir, why did we take 1.1 then?
Okay, what I wrote. Okay, so okay, this should be 0, I think. Okay, sorry.
Sir, we should always take the lower value.
Lower value, ma, lower value.
Okay, sir. Okay, understood.
So 1.03. For me, I think some dust has came there. Okay, then, yeah. Okay, let me just wait. So, yeah, 6.4, 6.5. Okay, fine. Is it okay, all of you? So there's a method of taking the readings here. Shall I go for next one? I think error also got over how to take the reading. No, one more attempt will do it. With the jaws in contact. I'm taking the same example. Last year, I think I explained in class, or just now, some 1 month back, no? That photograph, I brought it here. Okay, first zero error. I think I should look for this particular thing. No? So is it a positive or negative zero? Positive zero error. So what is the value of zero error? Plus 2. Yeah, are you looking at this? I'll highlight by red color, that one. All of you able to notice this? 1 year scale, no? So zero error is plus 2. Now then let's come for main scale reading. I think this will be very easy for you. This is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, let's write the reading. R is equal to MSR plus VSR minus ZE least count. What is MSR? 3.4, look at here, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8. So where is the zero of 1 year between 3.8 and 3.9? I think I'm right counting. This is 3.67894. Okay, yeah, fine. Now, what about other reading? How I should take? How to get the VSR? Among that, which line of 1 year will merge with the main scale? The third line. So shall I write VSR as 3? What is zero error? Positive, least count 0.01 centimeter. 1 into 0.01 centimeter or 3.81 centimeter. Agree this? Okay, all of you, just make notice. I'll go for the next one. We have to start the screw gauge after this. Now come for one more numerical. Okay. Now, which line has merged? The 8th line, no? I think I should be very careful about this zero error, no? So shall I write 8 or 10 minus 8? 10 minus 8. Then what is the reading? MSR plus VSR minus zero error least count. What is MSR? Okay, come for this one. This is 7 centimeter. So where the zero of 1 year is lying between 7 and 7.1 centimeter, you have to take the lower value, 7 centimeter, 1 year. The 5th line is merging. Zero error should be how much? Minus 2. Will it read less or more, this screw gauge? Because of zero, it will read less. So I should add up. So this will be 7 into 7.07 centimeter. Five minus 2. Okay, sorry. This is 3. 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, fine. 7.07 centimeter it should be. Okay, I think it's quite very easy, no? Okay, shall I go for next one more? No, please read it. So I think, look at the calipers. You have to make observation. There's no other way. Caliper 1. There are two 1 year calipers, both of which are 1 centimeter divided into 10 equal divisions on the main scale. So for both, what are the main scales? These are the main scales. for both the calipers. Agree this? The vernier scale of one of the calipers C1 has 10 equal divisions that corresponds to 9 main scale divisions. So first we'll do one thing, caliper 1. We'll work out the calculations. So what it's telling, 10 equal divisions that corresponds to 9 main scale divisions. So 10 VSD is equal to 9 MSD. So what is 1 VSD is equal to 9 MSD by 10. Then how you define least count? Least count is 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So 9 MSD by 10. This will be 1 MSD by 10. What is 1 MSD equal to? 10 division 0. So what is the least count of the first vernier caliper? It is 0.0. I'll write it LC1. No. What is the reading of it? What is the reading of it? We'll go for it. So 2.9, 2.8. Look at the reading. So 2.8. So the reading of the first one is MSR plus VSR. And there's no zero error. Himself he said there's no zero error. So let's not bother about the zero error. So what is the main scale reading of this? 2. Main scale reading is 2.8 centimeter. Which line of vernier will merge with it? So shall I put this 7? Okay, there's a reading of first vernier caliper. There's no problem. Look, let's come for second vernier caliper. What is telling? The vernier scale of other caliper has 10 equal divisions that corresponds to 11 main scale divisions. Then what is the least count? We don't know. What to do? Can we use same formula? No. So what you should do? You should go for basics. Okay, at least what is the main scale reading? So I'll come for like this. Second caliper. There's a reading of the first caliper. No, let's come for the second caliper. Caliper 2. What has to be done? So at least I'm very sure about the main scale. No? So what is the main scale? It is between 2.8 and 2.9. Will I agree? The zero of vernier. So what is the main scale reading? Main scale reading, I'm very sure. What is that? 2.8 centimeter. After this, which line of vernier merges with the main scale? The seventh line. What to be done now? So what we have to do, we have to find out that gap between 2.8 centimeter and zero of vernier. No? That gap has to be determined. So until that gap is determined, not possible to work out anything. So for the vernier scale, I will proceed like this. I think I have to draw a line. No other way. Otherwise, okay. Meanwhile, you try this. I'll bring the other diagrams. This one is there. No? What was the other thing? I will just construct a scale. Just give me time. Okay, now I think within 2 minutes we'll end up this problem. It's very easy. Three is there, no? One more, I'll bring it. Yeah, fine. Okay, we'll construct this scale first. This is 0. One, two. Okay, I think 1, 2, 3. One more last. Yeah, I think we'll. Okay, this is our main scale. Huh? Agreed, all of you. So I'm coming for vernier caliper 2. What happened? Okay. No, see this. So shall we write it here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Will I agree, all of you? No. Where is this? This is somewhere here, no? 2.8 and this one. So the 1 year, I'll put it, this one, between 2.8 and 2.9. And the 7th line only, I'll show it. 7th line is merging with how much? 3.7. I'll not show the other lines. Seven. Many are asking, sir, why can't I use same formula? Okay, use it. Okay, use it, no problem. Okay, we'll agree this. So I think now I'll bring the diagram. Huh? So you have everything in front of you. Okay, bring it now. 2.8 it is. 2.9 and the 7th line has merged here. So first what I do is like I will go for this distance. So MSD, I'll write it. So how much it is? 3.7 centimeter. And I also, and this I'll call it as B. So what is B, that one? So that B should be equal to how much? And I'll call this is SV. So if you look at the main scale and write from 0 to that particular point P, so what is SMSD you are going to write? That SMSD should be equal to SV plus B, no? And what is that B is equal to? What is that B is equal to? B is equal to how much, like a 7 MSDs? B is what? 7 MSD, there's a vernier scale. There's a vernier scale, no? 0 to 10 is a 7 MSD. So therefore now, what is unknown thing like? So what is our main concern? We should not use the formula. So you should use the basics here, nothing big is there. So 2.8 and I had to get this distance. I'll use some other color. Call this is X. So what is our reading? 2.8 plus X is what our reading, no? 2.8 centimeter plus X. Will I agree, all of you? So how to bring that X here? How to bring that X? 2.8 plus X is what our reading. So how to bring that X? If you bring that X, then you can solve it. Otherwise not possible. Okay, now let's come for this. Like a 28, what is our total? What should be our actual reading? The reading should be 2.8 centimeter plus that X, that one. So X should be suitable. We should express again in centimeter only. That should be our reading. So now look at this one, where the 0 of 1 year is there at 2.8. 0 of 1 year is 2.8. Between 2.8 and 2.9. All of you getting the logic? Because I don't want to bring anything to discuss here because there's no other alternative available for us unless you don't draw a diagram like this. So what is this? Looking at the main scale, what you can write? 3.5. So 3.6, 3.7, 3.7 centimeter. What it should be equal to? 3.7 centimeters should be equal to. I think I took everything correct. No? Where it is merging. Oh, yeah. 7th line is what merging. Yeah. Now write down this one. So 3.7 centimeter. What it should be equal to? 2.8 centimeter plus X plus how much? How many? 7 VSD. But we don't know VSD, no? How to bring the VSD? He has given information. What is that? 10 VSD is equal to how much? 11 MSD. Am I right? 10 equal division that corresponds to 11 MSD. So finish short. So therefore I'll bring that one. So what is 1 VSD? 10 VSD equal to 11 mm. What is 1 MSD? Again 0.1 centimeter for this scale. What is 1 MSD? Put it now. So 10 VSD is equal to 11 MSD, 0.1 centimeter. So what is 1 VSD is equal to? The 1.1 centimeter by 10 or 0.11 centimeter. This is what? Now, shall I say B into VSD it is? So that B is what? Equal to 7. So I'll write it B. And what is B? 7 VSD. So this 3.7 centimeter, 2.8 centimeter. The X is unknown. B is what? 7 VSD. What is 1 VSD? I'll bring it from here. It is. Okay, this one. 3.7, 2.8 X. So what is 1 VSD? Substitute, calculate, you'll get it. So what is the reading? Reading what we have to take? The reading of the second vernier caliper should be, how much it should be equal to? 2.8 centimeter plus X is in centimeter. .6, huh? Oh. Oh, okay, that one. I think I 3.5, 3.6. Huh? Okay, I'll make changes. Huh? Very difficult here. Look at once. 3.6 here. Huh? 5th, 6th. Yeah. Okay, I made changes. Thank you, that one I didn't notice. So therefore, what shall I write here? This will be, I think till here it will come. 3.66 line. Yeah. So here it will come 3.6. Okay, now get the value of X, substitute, you'll get the required answer. Okay, got this. So that X is unknown, no? That has to be determined. How to determine? This is a method. So there's no need of anything. No, for any vernier caliper, you can use this method, not only for any vernier caliper. Got the idea? .83. Huh? Yeah. This is called a retrograde vernier caliper. What is the name of this? Retrograde vernier caliper, and this is called an ordinary caliper. No need of any definitions, nothing. Directly you have to use this method. Okay, work out later on. I'll go for this one.